G'day. Yeah, we're just gonna. I'm just cooking some dinner, but first of all, I'll tell you what we've done today. We had church on Zoom. Had a great message there, and Wendy and I we went for a walk in the park and a bit of a prayer. It was a beautiful day today. It was lovely and sunny, and so we're back home and cooking some dinner. Wendy's already prepared the dinner. Actually, she's cooked the vegetables, which I've just took it out of the oven, and I'm just going to put some butter in it just to mix it through. Just going to put the vegetables back in the oven, put that in. So now that the oil is hot enough in the frying pan, I'm just going to take it off the heat. And I'll put that in here. Okay, so Wendy's already marinated the meat in some red wine, chili, ginger and garlic, and also there's oregano and
salt and pepper.
Just going to put the meat in the frying pan. So once it's sizzling, I'll seal it on both sides. Okay, so you just want to seal it on both sides. I'll give it about a minute on each side. And now I'm going to take it off the heat. So that should now be cooked on the outside. I'm just going to put it on the plate. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the frying pan, the onions and the mushroom. And now it's back on the heat. Okay, I'm just going to cook these onions and mushrooms until they're caramelized. So I've now taken it off the heat. So it's now caramelized. I'm just going to add the marinade. Give it a stir. And I'm going to put it back on the heat and let that simmer and cook together.
Boil.
I'll let it boil together. Okay, so now that it's reduced, I'm going to add the beef stock. So just put a little bit of beef stock in. And
Let it boil, yeah?
And I'm just going to let it boil.
And reduce again, yeah?
And reduce it again.
But did you want to put mixed herbs in it?
Yeah, I'm going to add some mixed herbs as well. Okay, so now it's boiled, I'm just going to put the meat back on. And I'm just going to turn it down and let it simmer. Put it on, I'm going to put it on both sides just so to let the juices run through the meat. That's nice and tender. I've now taken it off the heat and I'm going to take the steak off and put it on the plate. Now I've dissolved an OXO cube in boiling hot water. I've now dissolved it. I'm just going to add that to the sauce. Yeah, just going to stir it. Yeah, I'll put that back on the heat. I'm just going to turn it up to boil again. Okay, so now I'm going to put the sauce over the steak. Okay, and we're going to have that with garlic bread. So anything left over we can have for lunch or dinner tomorrow with that extra sauce that we have left over.
How good it is when we live in unity. How precious is the love you have for me. I feel whole when you're a part of me with your spirit in my heart. If you need a place to be, don't fear. You can come to me with your spirit in my heart. I finally can see how deep your love can be. A friend loves at all times, brings peace, love and harmony. I'll never forget the way you taught me how to love. You'll always